Hi, today we're going to have a good time. We're going to use the CampMaid Flip Grill to cook us up a little dinner, but this is the charcoal holder, so I got a couple tumbleweeds in there. I just go ahead and light the charcoal right in that. It's pretty slick. Here's the lid off a 12-inch Dutch oven, and this is the lid lifter. And so we're going to use this as a grill. So you just hook that on your lid and then flip it upside down. There you go. So we're going to cook right on here, so when the briquettes get ready, then this just clamps right on this post and we'll be ready to go. So as soon as the briquettes are ready, we'll get on there, start preheating that lid slash griddle, and then yeah, we'll see you back. Okay, the briquettes are ready, so let's start, let's get this on here, but this just opens up like that. It goes right on that. I'm going to start low because I want to just kind of preheat this slow, but we'll just put it right there. I think I'll let that preheat for about 10 minutes and then we'll start cooking it up. So yeah, we'll see you back. Okay, this has been preheating for about 10 minutes. It feels pretty good. If we want to get a little hotter, we'll just raise that charcoal tray up. But we're doing a grilled ham and Swiss. Yummy. Just put this right on here. We'll kind of cook it slow so it melts that cheese up all good. And then, yeah, like I said, if I need to adjust the heat, I'll just move that up or down or whatever we need to do. So yeah, cool. Okay, this is ready, so let's...
What is that you made?
What do you mean, what is this?
You never did say.
I never said?
I don't know if you did.
When we started cooking, I said it's a grilled Swiss cheese and ham.
Okay.
Or maybe I said ham and Swiss cheese.
All right.
Yeah, same thing. So yeah, but look how golden brown that is. That's pretty good. Set that right there. Yeah, good times. It's been a nice day. It's like in the 60s today. We planted a bunch in the garden. We've had chickens in the house forever. We finally moved them out today in their coop, and they're gonna stay there. But yeah, start laying this. Look at that. That's yummy. Ham. So let's try this out. Yeah, Flip Grill. That works good. I've cooked breakfast on there. Bacon, eggs, pancakes, and grilled cheese. Awesome. Perfect. I raised the charcoal tray up a little bit to get more heat on it once it started going. Yeah, that's delicious. So I'll have a link in the description for the product, the CampMaid Flip Grill and everything. And yeah, recipe, but everybody knows how to make a grilled cheese. So yeah, hope you like this video. We'll see you next time.